Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be decorating for the 4th of July and I cannot believe it is time already. It is just blowing my mind how fast all of these holidays go by. And I get more stuff every single year. I actually have a brand new tote. It's a pretty good size for 4th of July decorations, but I have found a lot of good things and I've already kind of started decorating, as you can see, because I just can't wait. I'm actually filming this Memorial Day weekend. I don't know when I'll have this uploaded. I wanted to go ahead and get an early start. I'm just gonna bring you guys with me to do a light cleaning and decorating video, so I hope y'all enjoy. Let's get started.